Hey friends, it's your buddy, Spike. And today we're going to have some fun with some ABC water balloons. Some will go splish, some will go splash, and some will go crash. It's the letter A. It's the letter B. It's the letter C. Oh, that didn't work. That's okay. We'll try again. The letter C. Whoa! Did you see that? You broke the ground. The letter D. Whoa! Did you see that? Someone pushed down the letter H. Anyway, this is the letter E. Oh my goodness me! That was an explosion. This is the letter F. Wham! Pow! Ho ho ho! You're gonna have to try that one again. This is the letter F. Pow! Ho ho ho! Let's just rewind that and try one more time. The letter F. Oh my gosh! Fireworks! Fireworks begins with the letter F. This is the letter G. Pow! Ho ho! Let's try again. The letter G. This is the letter H. Oh my gosh! It was filled with hearts. Hearts begins with the letter H. This is the letter I. Wow! Insects! This is the letter J. Oh, that didn't work. Let's try again. The letter J. This is the letter K. Kaboom! Ho ho ho! This is the letter L. This is the letter M. Oh, that didn't work. Let's try one more time. The letter N. Oh no, that one didn't work either. Let's try one more time. Let's throw this one really hard. The letter N. Oh, you broke the swimming pool. That was so funny. This is the letter N. This is the letter O. Oh, it's my friend Oscar, the orange octopus. This is the letter P. Pow! This is the letter Q. Oh, quake! This is the letter R. Whoopsie! Let's try again. The letter R. This is the letter S. Oh, it's my friend Sydney. Sydney the shark. This is the letter T. Uh-oh. Try again. The letter T. What was that? Naughty fingers. This is the letter U. This is the letter V. Oh, that was a big splash. This is the letter W. This is the letter X. This is the letter Y. Oh, that's failed. Let's try again. The letter Y. This is the letter Z. Oh no, the swimming pool's on fire! Oh, that put that out. Hey friends, thanks for watching the ABCs with me. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more learning videos with your buddy Splosh.